Let's be honest. If you're still asking whether artificial intelligence is a bubble or a phase, 2026 has already answered that question for you. AI is no longer experimental. It's no longer optional. And it's no longer limited to tech labs. Some of the biggest companies on Earth are rolling out new AI products right now, not as side features, but as core strategy. And if you're a worker, creator, student, or business owner, this affects you directly. Let's look at what's happening and why getting in early matters more than ever. Let's start with the most important signal of all. Apple, famously private and cautious, is upgrading Siri using Google's massive AI model. This isn't a small update. Apple just announced it is planning to adopt a 1.2 trillion parameter AI model from Google to significantly upgrade its Siri voice assistant. Practically, this means Siri will move from simple commands to multi-step contextual actions. For example, you'll be able to say, "Summarize my unread emails and reply to the urgent ones." Siri will understand follow-up questions without starting over. It can pull information across apps, calendar, messages, notes in one request. This is now beyond smarter voice control. It's Apple turning Siri into a personal productivity layer across its entire ecosystem. Remember, when Apple moves, it's because it believes the tech is mature enough for billions of users. Now let's talk about work. Microsoft is rolling out agentic AI systems designed to automate tasks in retail, customer service, and operations. In practice, this means AI can monitor inventory levels automatically, predict demand and reorder stock, handle customer service chats end-to-end, and generate reports without human prompts. Instead of employees doing repetitive coordination work, AI becomes a digital worker that never sleeps. Humans shift into oversight, decision-making, and strategy. Google is doing something similar with agentic commerce. Specifically, this means AI can recommend products based on behavior, budget, and timing. It can compare prices, availability, and reviews in real time. And it can guide users from discovery to checkout with minimal clicks. For businesses, this means more personalized ads, higher conversion rates, and less manual marketing optimization. For users, shopping becomes faster, but also more influenced by AI. Next, Amazon is also expanding Alexa beyond devices, launching web-based AI assistants accessible from anywhere. That allows Alexa to manage subscriptions, track deliveries and returns, assist sellers with listings and pricing, and help customer support resolve issues automatically. Instead of being a voice gimmick, Alexa becomes a service manager for Amazon's entire ecosystem. This reduces support costs and increases automation across Amazon's operations. Let's also talk about infrastructure. Here's the part many people miss. Meta is building massive AI infrastructure data centers measured in gigawatts. Meta's AI focus isn't just chatbots. It's infrastructure. AI is being used to moderate content at scale, optimize ad delivery automatically, generate and test creative content, and personalize feeds in real time. The goal is fewer human interventions and faster optimization across billions of users. This is AI running the engine, not just the interface. NVIDIA's role is even simpler but more powerful. NVIDIA continues to dominate AI chips that power nearly everything you're seeing. Its AI chips train large models, run real-time inference, and power data centers behind nearly every major AI product. If AI is the brain, NVIDIA builds the nervous system. This is why demand for its technology continues to surge. Companies don't invest this kind of money unless they expect AI demand to last for decades. AI is not going away. The infrastructure proves it. Then there's the shift into health, industry, and wearables. Anthropic is rolling out AI tools for healthcare and life sciences. Siemens is deploying industrial AI co-pilots for factories and engineering. Alibaba is introducing AI glasses that assist with navigation and translation. This tells us something critical. AI is entering every industry. from medicine to manufacturing to consumer wearables. No sector is going to be untouched. So what does this really mean for you? One thing is certain. AI doesn't mean everyone loses their job, but it does mean people who ignore AI will struggle. People who learn AI tools will move faster, and people who adapt early will lead. You don't need to be a programmer. You need to be AI aware. Understand how AI tools work, where they're used in your field, and how to work with them instead of against them. History always rewards early adapters. Late adopters survive. Early adopters thrive. You're still early. To reiterate, companies like Apple, Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Meta, Nvidia, Siemens, and Alibaba aren't guessing. They're building the future in real time. AI is not going anywhere. The only real question is whether you'll watch it happen or get in while the door is still wide open. Start learning. Start experimenting. Start adapting. Because in the AI era, standing still is the fastest way to fall behind. Like the video, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe for more stories about how technology is reshaping everyday life.